Welcome to Users Productions. This video will demo install Chinese handwriting input in Windows May 10, 2019 update v1903 demo var 2 with fingertip settings. Step 01, left click Start button. Left click Settings. Step 02, left click Time and Language. Left click Language. Left click Add a preferred language. Step 03, Type Chinese. Left click Chinese, Traditional, Hong Kong SAR. Left click Next. Step 04, select and check the boxes in this video. Left click Install. Fast forward video. Step 05, left click Browser icon to open browser. Right-click taskbar. Left-click Show Touch Keyboard button. Step 06, left-click Start button. Left-click Settings. Left-click Devices. Left-click Pen and Windows Ink. Left-click to check right in the handwriting panel with your fingertip. Step 07, left-click Touch Keyboard icon on taskbar. Left-click and select Ang to Chinese, as in this video. Step 08, left-click Touch Keyboard Settings, as in this video. Left-click Handwriting icon as in this video. Step 09, left-click Browser search bar. Hold press left-click to Handwriting Chinese, as in this video. Click subscribe to Users Productions YouTube channel.